Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix your microphone on your PC. If you're new here, consider subscribing and drop a like below. Your support means a lot, so stick around until the end for all the different fixes. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, open your sound settings by right-clicking on the speaker icon or access it through the Windows settings. Scroll down to the Input section to ensure your microphone is selected and working. Next, check your privacy settings. Navigate to the Windows settings. Go to Privacy and select App Permissions. And click on Microphone. Ensure Allow Apps to access your microphone is toggled on. If it's switched off, no apps will be allowed to access your microphone. Scroll down to choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your microphone. Make sure the necessary apps are allowed to use your mic. Now, the third thing to check is a specific application like Skype or Discord. Open the settings in the respective app. Then, go to Audio Settings and ensure the correct microphone is selected. If after all these fixes your mic still isn't working, it might be a hardware issue. Try using the microphone on a different computer or switch to a different mic on your current computer. If you have any further questions, drop them in the comments. And if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye. If you're on a laptop, consider using the built-in microphone.